The availability and quality of freshwater resources are critical for human health and well-being, and the degradation of freshwater ecosystems can have significant impacts on human communities. Fisheries. Freshwater fisheries are an important source of food and income for millions of people around the world, and they play a crucial role in local and regional economies. The sustainable management of freshwater fisheries is critical for maintaining food security and livelihoods in many parts of the world. Recreation and tourism. Freshwater ecosystems are also important for recreation and tourism, providing opportunities for swimming, boating, fishing, and other activities. The recreational value of freshwater ecosystems is an important aspect of human well-being, and it contributes to the overall quality of life in many communities. Biodiversity. Freshwater ecosystems are home to a diverse range of organisms, many of which are unique and rare. The conservation of freshwater biodiversity is important for maintaining the overall ecological health and resilience of these systems, as well as for providing opportunities for scientific research and education. Climate regulation. Freshwater ecosystems play a crucial role in regulating the global climate, contributing to carbon sequestration and storage, and regulating the water cycle. The degradation of freshwater ecosystems can have significant impacts on the global climate, contributing to climate change and other environmental issues. To achieve this, it is important to engage in collaborative and interdisciplinary approaches to freshwater management, incorporating a range of stakeholders and perspectives. This can include the involvement of local communities, indigenous peoples, and other groups with a deep understanding of freshwater ecosystems and their interactions with human communities. In addition, it is important to prioritize the conservation and restoration of freshwater ecosystems, including the protection of critical habitats and the promotion of more sustainable practices in agriculture, industry, and other human activities that impact freshwater ecosystems. Furthermore, there is a need to address the global challenge of freshwater scarcity, which is becoming increasingly severe in many parts of the world. Climate change, over-extraction of water resources, and other factors are contributing to the depletion of freshwater resources. And there is a need for increased attention and investment in sustainable freshwater management and conservation. One approach to promoting sustainable freshwater management is the adoption of ecosystem-based approaches, which prioritize the protection and restoration of the ecological functions and services provided by freshwater ecosystems. This can include the protection and restoration of critical habitats, the promotion of sustainable agriculture and forestry practices, and the use of natural infrastructure solutions, such as wetlands and riparian zones, to mitigate the impacts of floods and other environmental threats. Furthermore, there is a need for increased research and innovation in sustainable freshwater management, including the development of new technologies and approaches to monitor and manage freshwater resources, as well as the promotion of education and awareness-raising initiatives to engage communities and stakeholders in freshwater conservation efforts. In addition, it is important to recognize the social and cultural values of freshwater ecosystems, and to promote the participation and empowerment of local communities in freshwater management decision-making processes. This can include the incorporation of traditional ecological knowledge and other forms of indigenous knowledge into freshwater management practices, as well as the recognition of the rights of indigenous peoples and local communities to access and manage freshwater resources. Finally, there is a need for increased international cooperation and collaboration in freshwater management. Recognizing the transboundary nature of freshwater resources and the need for shared responsibility and action to address global freshwater challenges. This can include the development of international agreements and frameworks,